In this video, we'll walk through how the ingest process works from the Hiero DCC. Before ingesting any shots, there are a few key areas in the project setup that must be reviewed. First, under Pipeline, Logic, you'll find the default ingest logic called Ingest Shot Logic, included in the WFX project template. This logic is responsible for organizing all materials, placing them into their proper folders, and generating shots and corresponding tasks within the pipeline. Next, go to TechSpec and make sure that this logic is assigned to the editorial material field. This is the logic that will be triggered during ingest. If your project requires a different ingest behavior, you can replace this logic with a custom one using the same panel. Once the logic is correctly assigned, you can create a new episode and initialize it from Kraken. When initializing the editorial task, a default Hiero script will be generated automatically. Inside the script, it's essential to name clips and tracks using a clear format, such as clipname_trackname. This naming convention allows the ingest system to identify which clip is a main plate, which is a secondary plate, and which one serves as a reference. After organizing and renaming the clips, run the checkers to validate project settings. If everything passes, launch the ingest process by going to Pipeline Arrow File, Arrow Export Arrow Shots. If there are issues, a feedback window will appear explaining what needs to be fixed. Once the ingest panel opens, the selected clips will be listed on the left with their assigned types, and on the right, you'll see the target project along with several configuration options. Here, you can choose where to source resolution and handles from, specify output directories, and include CDLs or LUTs. The ingest tool is smart enough to pull the correct CDL for each shot and assign it automatically in the resulting nuke script. After confirming your settings, launch the export. You can track the process in real time using the task queue and the export console. Once the process is complete, all shots and tasks will have been created. You can verify this directly within the platform and in Kraken. Opening the compositing task in Nuke will show that all necessary nodes, such as read nodes for plates and reference, write nodes for output, and optionally loaded CDL, LUT, or effect nodes, have been properly placed. All settings and paths will be aligned with your project's configuration. This completes the ingest process from Hiero, automated, dynamic, and fully integrated into your production pipeline.